Alright, hopefully we are actually live. So yeah, we should be live. That was just that. Let's get radar scope pulled up. I'm gonna check to make sure the live stream is working. We have a new tornado warning right now for a supercell in Arkansas. So yes, I'm gonna make sure the stream is working, then we're actually gonna get started here. How to get all my encoder stuff working again, because nothing was working before. So I'm gonna try and check the stream. And yeah, so we're not muted right now, but alright, so the mic actually does work. That is good. So I'm gonna leave this on to make sure we do not drop any frames. So that'd not be good. And we're gonna talk about our severe weather today, because today we have okay, I am sorry about that. It's just my phone. I'm making sure we're not dropping any frames. That's that. So yeah, today we do have a slight risk. We do have a tornado watch out for areas in northeastern Oklahoma all the way up to central Missouri. Moderate chance of tornadoes, and EF2 plus tornado chances are low. So yes. Yeah, so let's get started. Let's look at the storm. So right now we have 6 alerts, and we have four severe warnings and 1 tornado warning. Actually, I think we have 2. Yeah, we have 2, because we have 1 in northern Arkansas. Then we have 1 in southern Missouri. I'm guessing that's because, yeah, that's 2 National Weather Service offices, most likely. So we have this donut hole supercell right here. Let's turn on dual pane display. Okay, this looks interesting for sure. We have very strong rotation in this area. Where we would expect it to be in the supercell. It's right on the border of Arkansas and Missouri right now. Actually, yeah, literally right on the border. Let's turn on triple pane here and look at what we have going on. So we circle a couplet. It does not seem like we have a CC drop. Let's turn this on higher super res correlation coefficient. Alright, so it does not seem as we have a CC drop in that area right now. So that is good. So yeah, that's definitely going to be a cell you have to watch. This is not... Yeah, this tornado warning is only radar indicated, and ping pong ball sized hail, so decent sized hail with a cell according to the National Weather Service issued that. We have 3 spotter network reports, one a wind of 70 miles per hour to the north of Springfield, Missouri, with this line of storms that was tornado warned a few minutes ago. We have a second line behind it going through that area. This one's a little bit weaker. And these are some developing supercells in this area. So yeah, that is what's going on right now. I think we're gonna try to get the chat pulled up here. We're gonna try and get the chat pulled up. So let's pop this out. So yeah, we're gonna pop out the chat. I'm sorry I'm doing this on stream. I should have done this before stream, but I have not streamed in a pretty long time. We're gonna move this over here. We're going to get radar scope pulled up and make the chat smaller. So it's just this small. And then we're going to stretch this tab over here. Alright, yeah, so this is how I used to have it set up, if you guys remember it on my old streams. So yeah. So thank you guys. If you guys are watching this, thank you. We're just gonna be watching the severe weather today. Yeah, so our rotation, we have a new update. We have a spotter right there on Spotter Network. Hopefully he's active. But yes, we have a decently strong rotation here. It's pretty tight. Negative 85 to negative 7 right next to each other. So that's around 78 miles per hour. Right there. So this is pretty good rotation. We look at where this is. This is right where we'd expect it to be when we look at the storm. right to the west of Blue Eye in southern Missouri, really on the border of Missouri and Arkansas. So the storm is just crossing from Arkansas into southern Missouri. Let's see if we have a CC drop now. Does not appear as if we do yet. We have a little drop off right there. That most likely is not from the circulation, though. If we do have a tornado on the ground, we don't really know yet. But this is decently strong rotation right here. And I think Andrew's not going to be joining us tonight. He's probably asleep already. So yeah. And Joplin has... So right now we have a line of storms back over here in northeastern Oklahoma going all the way up into central Missouri. Now this line of storms has a lower chance of producing tornadoes. As you guys can see, it's clearly a lot weaker. We don't even have... None of these storms along this line are severe warned. But this line up here, this one is stronger. This one's warned for tornado possible and 60-mile-per-hour winds. And this one to the south, is this one warned for 70? No, it's only 60. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we also had a tornado warning right in this area before. Let's see if we have any rotation. So nothing that really stands out. No really tight couplets. Maybe something, but that's just radar scope. This right here looks good though by Blue Eye. That is the best rotation we have right now. And this looks a little interesting by right to the southeast of Avoca, or Ovoca, however you say it. That's kind of on the southern edge of a, not really a supercell. This is really our best looking supercell right now, and it's actually producing, or trying to produce right now. So yeah, that is very good. Now let's move further north into Missouri. Alright, so we're going to switch radars up to the St. Louis radar. Let's see what we have for St. Louis. So for St. Louis, we have a decent-looking line of storms moving northeast, coming towards you. St. Louis, you guys are on the slight risk. And yeah, this line's going to be moving northeast pretty quickly. We do not seem to have any interesting-looking couplets on it, but something could spin up along this, but it's not as likely as a spin up in that area as it is down in this area. And okay, I thought we had another tornado warning there for a second, but we don't. So let's go back to the Springfield radar and continue looking at our cell right to the north of Blue Eye now. So yeah, new scan came in at 9:36 p.m. So the rotation is now -64 to -7, so, or -60 to -7 pixel a pixel. I'd say really, it hasn't weakened a whole lot, maybe a very slight bit. That's about it though. It's still a good looking circulation. Let's look at CC. It's kind of hard to tell, but I do not think there's a CC drop on that as of right now. So that is good. Now let's take a look at our Avoca storm. Still has something going on there. Probably nothing tornadic though. We'll have to keep an eye on that though. No new spotter network reports in. Right. Well, now let's pull up the, let's go away from the chat here. Right now, we have Tropical Storm Iota of 60-mile-per-hour winds. It has strengthened a little bit since yesterday's video. And we have Theta over here, 40. Theta is just kind of slowly moving, and it's gonna start to die out. And yeah, so let's look at this severe weather again. We're gonna go to the SPC Meso Analyst. We're gonna get this sector. So let's look at what we have going on. Let's look at what we have to work with. So let's look at 100 millibar Cape. We have 1,000 Cape, we have 1,000 Cape going all the way up in the southwest of Missouri. So our supercells in this area are really our one supercell that does have enough energy to work with, or instability, and we have potentially, we could see some more supercells start to fire on the southern end of this. And those most likely will have enough too. But if we get too much storms, so that's definitely gonna start to eat it up. And our storms up towards St. Louis do not have a whole lot of instability to work with at all. Now we're gonna look at, let's look at visible, well no, it's dark, sorry. Yeah, this is the whole right over here. We have our second line right along the front, going down into northeastern Oklahoma. We have a little first line segment, which is a little bit, which is stronger than this one. This one, yeah, that one right there, and we have some supercells trying to develop on the southern end of that. So we're gonna see how this goes. We turn on the day one. Can we do that anymore? Yeah, we can. Yes, our slight risk, as you guys can see, is this green line right here. So it goes up into the storms. Let's actually, can we turn radar off? Okay, no, we can't. There we go. All right, so yeah, we can look at like bulk shear. We have bulk shear of 65 knots in multiple areas, so we have a lot of shear to work with today, which is why we are having so much storms. And wait a second, Andrew's calling. Unmuting. All right, yeah. So Andrew is now here. We are unmuted.
I was gone for 3 hours. I would have been here, but I played a family game that was pretty fun. Tornado on southern Missouri.
Yeah.
There is maybe potential CC drop, or that could be inflow.
Yeah, that. Oh yeah, it definitely tightened up a little bit more since the last update. We actually have a spotter literally in the circulation almost. Oh yeah, he's in the circulation.
Sparta. I guess this line went nuts while I was gone. I'm going to be taking a radar screenshot of this. Holy crap. What happened? One, Tyler. Looks like we have a QLCS with, like, some supercells on first.
Oh, yeah, okay, so Ben Miller Channel said, how are you doing? I'm doing good. How are you?
Hi, Ben. It's been a long time no see for me.
Yeah, we haven't live streamed forever because the severe weather kind of has sucked.
Yeah, I don't suppose anything good was November 10th.
Yeah, and I was in Illinois.
A weak circulation by Cuba, or unless that is a very strong gusty wind kind of squall.
Oh wait, where?
As canceled.
Oh, up to the north, yeah.
There could be another circulation by Mountain Grove, Missouri, trying to tighten up along a QLCS. We're going to be having to watch here for a conditional threat for a few tornadoes this evening, and maybe a stronger one with one of these supercells.
Yeah, this is what we have sitting up. We have 65 knots of bulk shear in areas of eastern Oklahoma, and our supercells, which are located in southern Missouri and northwestern Arkansas, those have 60 to 65 knots of bulk shear. This is much better than what we had this summer. For live streams this summer, we only had... We had the bulk shear in the wrong areas a lot. So that's good. We're not going to look at supercell composite. We're going to look at violent tornado parameter, I would say 11, which is very high in eastern Oklahoma.
There's a violent tornado parameter of 11?
Yeah.
Oh, God. I need to check this.
Non-supercell tornado, we don't really have a whole lot of...
Oh, God, I see that. That's right in the storms area. Holy Jarvis.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Alright, so mid-level lapse rates. Yep, lapse rates are pretty low in this area. We don't have a gigantic hail threat today in SR or storm relative Felicity. We have 850 in areas of Missouri along the line. And then where we actually have our supercell storming, we have anywhere between around 200 to 700. So we definitely have plenty of Felicity today. If I could chase today, I would, but I can't because I can't drive.
New tour just got issued somewhere.
Oh yeah, we have 7 warnings right now. I don't know what those are for. Wait, it might have been no. We just have 1 tornado warning. That's in Missouri.
Reed said there's a long track tornado somewhere. Somebody's FaceTiming me, so that's wonderful.
All right. Weather tracker said hi. So
Why
yeah,
do you
hi.
want Drake? I'm not joining.
Okay. Let's get CC here. Oh, we might actually have we have like a weird CC type thing on the southern end of the circulation, kind of like right on it. It's either inflow. That doesn't look like a tornadic CC drop to me though.
Oh, that might actually be a CC. That might be a CC. Oh, that's inflow, but that's starting to wrap, Tyler. We could get a tornado on the ground soon.
Yeah, I think it could be recycling. It's weakened a little bit. What the? Okay, this supercell is doing weird things. It's like now it has like a whole different little storm on the southern end of this. Looks kind of interesting. Let's play the past radar out here and see what the storm's actually doing.
Holy cow, this thing's starting to go nuts, Tyler. I would not be surprised. Okay, yeah, it's recycling, but we're gonna have to watch it.
Yeah, we can see.
Rip the hook again. There's a new circulation on the southern cell. Southern cell, new circulation.
Oh, great! Radar scope's about to crash. I can just tell. All right, we're gonna have to get radar scope back up again.
Why?
Every time I. All right, because every time I have it open for a long time, it does that. So yeah, we're gonna get this back. We're gonna stretch it out. Why block me from my main account? What? I don't even know what that means. I haven't blocked anybody, so I don't think I did. So yeah, we had this tornado warning right here. Yep, that's not working right. All right. We can. All right, yeah. So still, this tornado warning expires in 11 minutes. We have a strengthening storm here. Hopefully strengthening, not hopefully. Really, kind of want this to fall apart a little bit. So yeah, let's see what we have. Let's get the dual pane display on here. So we can see our strongest rotations right here, and that's kind of in the hook, and we have rotation going all the way down to this area. So it's kind of broadened out a little bit for sure, but it's still good. And we have some interesting looking cells swarming to the south of us that could become supercells. We have one to the east of Garfield. That doesn't really look like it. Okay, it actually has some rotation, or that could just be. We're gonna have to see though, because that it's not in the area I would expect it to be, and that's not really doesn't look like the best storm either. We're gonna have to keep an eye on it though. Looks interesting for sure.
I would watch that, Tyler. If you want to get on a Discord call and I would share my screen, I want to tell you something. If you want to do that.
Well, the Discord calls you cut out a lot.
I'm not gonna be on my phone if that happens, so I wouldn't cut out as much. I don't think.
All right. Yeah, maybe.
North Central Missouri, a new supercell fire that is on its own. I would watch that very closely. We could get our worst tornado day out of that.
Where?
I'll show you this.
North Central Missouri?
No, Arkansas.
Oh.
North Arkansas. There's a discrete supercell that fired, and it's starting to strengthen by Huntsville.
Oh yeah, I've been watching that. It's that one. I hope it's still circular. We'll have to see if it's actually able to get its act together.
Northern Arkansas with the severe warning and it's strengthening.
I know that one by Eureka Springs.
Yep, that thing's gonna go nuts in a second because it's starting to wrap. Oh goodness.
Yeah, that's actually. It looks like a interesting storm.
Tyler, today's one boom boom, I guess. Today did the funny.
We no longer have any tornado warnings as of right now. Yeah, or one tornado warning expired. It looks like the rotation's broadened out a little bit. But we have very strong rotation, not very strong, but pretty strong rotation right to the east of Hollister.
Okay.
Alright.
By Mansfield, Missouri, there's a cell that looks interesting. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Oh shoot, that's recycling, Tyler.
Where? North Central.
The one in southern Missouri with the total possible warning and $half size hail.
Yeah, but right on top of Hollister. Or
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
That one.
It looks sort of like a donut hole cell now, to be honest. Because wait,
I've been starting to go nuts again. Okay. Anywhere. I'm going to be making a mesoscale discussion at Abrams here, and then you can show it to everybody. Anywhere in north central Missouri, or not Missouri, gosh darn it. Anywhere in north central Arkansas to southern Missouri, watch out for tornado potential.
yeah, north central Missouri is looking pretty good with their light rain.
Yeah, very, very good with their. Tyler, check the new scan on top of Hollister. There's going to be a new 20-ring issue for that, and one by Eureka Springs, as there's a very tight couplet.
Hopefully. Wait. What time is that scan you're looking at?
That is 8:50.
Oh, I'm looking at the 949 one. It has more. It's a pretty broad circulation at 949, but it looks like it is getting its act together a little bit better.
This isn't going to be good because I know there's a lot of people down here. Not a lot of people, excuse me. There's a lot of. This isn't good because this is a pretty populated area.
Mm-hmm. This isn't a beautiful tornado event, but it is an interesting. It's probably it's the best it's better than we've had in a little bit. So yeah, that's why we're live streaming. Hopefully these storms don't get ruined by this gust front in front of that weak line of storms to the west of Springfield.
I don't think they are. These are fast enough.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna check on our. Okay. That supercell by Huntsville is looking. It's starting to get that. It's starting to get kind of a shape of something interesting. It actually might have some rotation as of now. Right along the road, it might have some rotation.
Right around where?
Oh wait, right around the road to the south of Huntsville, a road that goes out to the south of Huntsville, or down that road on the Fort Smith radar. And that cell could be our next supercell. We're gonna have to watch that though, because it still has a potential to not actually produce, but I think it will. Or I don't. Yeah, it has the potential to produce, but it also has the potential to not produce. So it's about a 50-50 chance for it to go tornadic. For it to actually produce a tornado, it's a lot lower than 50. I think this is one of the best cells we could get today, if this can do what it could do and actually form into a more discrete supercell, but it still could not.
I'm watching that storm in northern Arkansas and the one by Huntsville. Those are the two storms catching my eye right now. The one by Hollister is becoming more linear.
Well, yeah, that one by Hollister is kind of been better than the line. All right, Weather Tracker said, "Can I be in call?" Maybe soon. Not yet though.
Let me go on your chat. See what's happening.
Not a whole lot. Yeah, this is kind of just turning into a more linear cluster.
Is that Michael's second account?
Yeah. Alright, so let's use the St. Louis radar. Yeah, St. Louis is about to get hit by probably some damaging winds with this.
About to get popped by them.
Yeah. You got some thunderstorms coming towards you.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Actually, I just had a storm come over me.
Mm-hmm.
And then I got a linear cluster across western Illinois that could provide some strong gusts.
Yeah.
The watch. That Boeing segment could go nuts in western Missouri. There's a spot in the Boeing segment in Missouri with 98 mile-an-hour wind.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
There's also a circulation within the QLCS too. A little bit of one. It's very cheap though.
Yeah.
But let's stick with the Springfield radars. That's the area I'm watching. I'm going to be making a mesoscalar discussion on AWIPS.
Alright, so 952, or Huntsville storm, it's definitely trying to get its act together. It still hasn't really made any progress and looking more like a supercell. Or, yeah, supercell. Alright,
Oh no. There was a potential strong tornado in Camden County.
Camden County, is that in northern Arkansas?
There was very significant damage in Missouri. It was either Missouri or Arkansas, I don't know which one, but there was very significant damage.
Yeah, alright, let's look at the, duplicate this.
Status there.
Then we're going to go back.
That was probably with one of the storms that hit that area. It was either Missouri or Arkansas, I don't know which one.
Yeah, we haven't had any tornado reports, so we've had 10 reports so far today, but that's likely going to go up, and we could likely have some tornado reports later today.
Yeah, reports right now.
Well, yeah, we haven't had any confirmed tornadoes yet. Damage surveys haven't started yet, though. Great, so that's still old. What else should we look at? And derecho composite, alright. Can we look at? We can look at a lifted index. We have the highest lifted index in.
Trackers of Michael. That's 100% Michael.
No, it is.
Why does this stream have 3 dislikes? Why?
Michael on his alt accounts.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know what I'm gonna do, don't worry.
Currently
Alright, so yeah, so we're gonna watch these storms. Alright, so
yeah, I just put these damage photos in my other Discord servers and people are going nuts about it. Oh my god! Somebody's trying to call with me on Discord now. Bro! Stop calling me! You're calling me on literally every device I don't want to get on!
Yeah. Alright, so I'm just trying to clean up the chat a little bit here so I don't have a bunch of random messages. Alright. I gotta go fix this real quick. I'm gonna get my other... Yeah. Oh yeah, apparently we have 3 dislikes, which I know who all 3 of them are from. Yeah, so... Oh, God.
Okay, that's not funny.
Yeah, we're okay. Ryan Carsley is also... Oh, I know who that is. Yep. We're gonna hide that. No. Alright, let's just stop talking about this. Let's just try to clean up the chat. If anybody else spams, I'm gonna just hide you immediately because it's kind of getting annoying. Alright, wind of 50 right there. Still have 5 warnings. Those are all severe. We have no tornado warnings right now. Let's switch back to reflectivity.
We might get a new tornado warning by Force My later on. Not right now, but that storm is looking very good on radar.
Yeah.
Now we're probably having a break from our severe weather period. Or tornadic period, excuse me. That was not good warning. There is still that severe threat, of course, anywhere along this line. There are more supercells forming in northwestern Missouri now, so that's going to be something we're going to need to watch.
Arkansas.
Excuse me, Arkansas. I'm getting the states mixed up. Don't listen to me. I'm having strokes.
Yeah. Alright, so our old storm kind of disappeared into a linear segment. The rotation's gone. We don't really have any organized rotations, though.
I've watched those supercells in Arkansas that are kind of congealing into more of a Keeble CS because you could get some tornado.
Yeah. I'm going to get my second computer charger real quick. Yeah, hi, Justante. We're just talking about the severe weather.
Dante, if you check your Discord DMs, there's going to be some significant damage photos in there. Likely tornado could have been significant.
Andrew will DM you. Alright, we have 5 watching. No, we have 6 likes and 1 dislike. That 1 dislike's fine. I know who that's from. It's from, most likely from Weather Tracker.
Yeah.
I just know it is. And, yeah. We have 6 likes. So thank you guys for the 6 likes. And we have six people watching right now, so thank you guys for that. Well, let's get started looking at the severe weather again. We're unmuted. I was gonna use Streamlabs for my encoder, but we're using OBS because Streamlabs, I gotta get that fixed. Alright. We have 6 warnings again. No tornado warnings, though. We have some interesting storms in southwestern Missouri. We used to have a tornadic supercell. It's now turned mainly linear.
That could be recycling, and also, we have a new rotation near Oak Grove in northern Arkansas.
Oh yeah, I see what you're talking about.
Northern Arkansas, we need to watch that. That could go tornadic soon.
Yeah, it's kind of in a. Oh yeah, it's on the bottom of the of the supercell by Blue Eye. That's a little supercell right there.
That definitely an embedded supercell within this QLCS that we have going on.
It's a it's a baby.
Watch that because couples like that have gone tornadic today. So
yeah. So yeah, we're gonna watch that. Then up towards St. Louis. St. Louis is about to get slammed by a.
Wrapping in. This is not CC, but that's inflow wrapping into the storm.
St. Louis is about to get hit pretty hard by a line of storms. Alright, I'm gonna check the damage photos Andrew sent me and see what those are looking like. We have this line, a linear segment, or not linear segment, but a linear line up towards St. Louis. Now, we did have some spin ups try to spin up by kind of down to the southwest with this right here. It seems as if we don't really have as high potential as we did before. It's moving into a worse area and worse environment, but we could still have a spin up along this. We're gonna have to keep an eye on. We do have maybe some rotation in this area. It looks kind of weird. See, I'm gonna check the DMs and see what Andrew sent. Yeah, that's pretty bad damage. That could just be. Yeah.
That's not damaging wind. That's not damaging wind.
No, that could just be like that's either EF0 or EF1. It's not like really. It's not like really like terrible destruction or anything like that. Yeah, we have a gust front which just passed through Springfield, and that could kind of. This is going to clear out our supercells. We have nothing firing behind this. This is the cooler air. We actually go to the SPC Mesoranos. So I got surface observations. It is behind this front.
Might get a tornado warning in northern Arkansas soon.
Northern Arkansas, yeah. And yes, we have 5 people watching right now. That's very good. Yeah, we can see temperatures behind this are in the 50s and lower 60s. That is the cooler air. In front of this, we have 60s and 70s. And yeah, we can look at, we have dew points behind this are in the 30s and 20s, and in front of this, we have dew points in the 60s. So the second line is gonna be the end. So yeah, the second line. The second line is the cold front. All right, let's take a look at our supercells. All right, so are you still there, Andrew?
Yes, I am still.
All right. Yeah, I'm not one. Michael's not gonna get on the stream now because he's being annoying.
I put out a tornado watch on our server earlier. That probably verified.
Hopefully, yeah. All right, we're gonna get the chat pulled back up. Yeah, that storm by Blue Eye definitely looks interesting. Yeah, we have some rotation right on top of Blue Eye. Right on the border of Arkansas and Missouri, we have not really a CC with that. All right. All right, I'm actually going to do something.
Somebody said it's very hard to tell if that's a tornado or not, and I'm just like, bruh.
Yeah. I mean, it could just be straight line wind, but it's unlikely. The damage you send me. Yeah, so far our stream has gotten 25 people viewing it in total. Not terrible. Some people watch it after for some reason. Yeah, so right now I'm just going to
Violent tornado perimeter is at 11?
Yeah.
What? Violent tornado perimeter is at 11 over the new cells. What?
I know, that's pretty good. Alright, so still have no tornado warnings right now.
Could be a new tornado warning issue for that little bit of that linear segment there, and near Tannyville starting to match up again.
Yeah.
severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. This is going to be for, let's see here, 60 mile per hour wind, 1 inch hail, and a possible tornado are your main hazards for that.
Yeah. Alright, we have 5 likes and 2 dislikes, which I know those 2 are from. Guys, so far we've only gotten spammed once in the chat, so that's good. Okay, yes, this is kind of disappointing as of right now because we don't have anything to really talk about other than severe thunderstorm warnings, which St. Louis is about to get hit by a pretty good looking squall.
Pulaski County, Missouri Emergency Management with thunderstorm wind damage and possible tornado damage. Reports coming in the area, reports of structures damaged and destroyed with rescue operations under air. This occurred at 8:02.
Alright. Well, I don't know which county is that. It's either by Springfield or it's in central Missouri. Or not central.
This is not good. That could have been a strong tornado if that's what happened.
Yeah.
At 8:02.
Alright, well, if you guys are new to the channel, I would... Okay.
Take off my headphones.
Cool. Alright, if you guys are new to the channel, I'd really appreciate it if you guys would try to leave a like on the stream. I do daily videos with weather forecast every day. And yeah, we're live streaming today due to severe weather, and we're going to talk about the tropics real quick because the tropics are looking interesting. We have Iota right here, 70 mile per hour winds, and yeah, it's a new advisory. It's just come in 10 p.m. Iota now has 70 mile per hour winds. It's almost a hurricane, and it's forecasted to become a major hurricane. So it's going to be very interesting.
Have to do velocity scan.
Oh my god, what?
The storm that was by Branson earlier recycled.
Where is it? Oh, is that storm? Yeah, there's like to the east.
This one?
Isn't it to the east southeast of Taneyville?
Yeah, that's starting to go boom.
Yeah, it's starting now.
More potential doubted today, and something's happening.
Yeah, we have a little. We do have an indentation with a storm, and then that's linear though. We actually have some supercells in southern Missouri right now, and we have a discrete one by Garfield in northern Arkansas. That one actually looks interesting. Doesn't have a whole lot of rotation with it. Let's switch to the Fort Smith radar for these ones. Okay, that looks suspicious. That's on the southern side of a little baby storm. So yeah, we have some interesting looking storms. What is this? Almost really close to the Fort Smith radar. Doesn't have rotation, but it is pretty close to the radar, so it is kind of hard to tell. All right, then we have our cold front right here, which is getting closer to pushing through these storms. All right, so I'm going to check the line now. Oh, wait. All right. Yeah, so St. Louis is about to get hit by a decent-looking squall line. Likely some damaging winds inside of this. And velocity-wise, we don't have a whole lot of rotation. Just sharp wind direction changes. That's about it, though. Not any couplets. That's just inflow. Go down. This is back in the southern Missouri where we have our other storms, which we're going to switch to the Springfield radar for. These storms down here have more tornadic potential. Let's look at the SPC Meso Analyst. So we're going to go back to, we're going to turn off the SPC Day 1 Outlook.
I honestly think it's a hurricane now.
Iota?
Yes, I definitely think that's a hurricane now.
Yeah, alright. Oh wait, we have the cape on the mesoscale analyst has been updated. We now open.
So the area the tornado hit is very populated.
Yeah. Alright, so we now have 1,500 cape for our supercells to work with in northwestern Arkansas. That's ML cape. Let's look at surface cape. We actually have less surface cape than 100 millibar mixed layer. It's definitely interesting. Alright, LCL heights. LCL heights are around 750 to 500, which are definitely good. So that means our storms are not elevated. We have 2,500 though right on the other side of the cold front. And this cold front right here, which you guys can see, which is this line of storms, that is going to wipe out these, or attempt to wipe out these storms. And so that cold front actually, the cold front seems to be moving faster than some of these storms, Andrew. That's going to probably affect the storms once the gust front comes through. Yeah, the cold front is moving faster than the storms, a lot faster.
Oh no!
What?
We have problems.
What?
We have problems. Check your Discord DMs. We have problems.
Oh yeah, it's that? Yeah, I've been watching that.
We have big problems. It's out of the severe thunderstorm warning too.
Like, what radar is that you just sent me? That's not radar scope. What is that?
That is GR2 from a friend on Discord, not from me on Discord.
Oh, all right.
That's our instability on Discord.
Oh, we're gonna try. I'm gonna try and get either GR3 or GR2.
Probably need a tornado warning on that.
GR2, I gotta get fixed. It's like,
we could get another tornado warning in southern Arkansas later on if that storm can organize.
I don't think so.
Southern Missouri, excuse me, and there's another storm in central Arkansas organized.
Can I say something? That the cold front is moving a lot faster than the storms in southern Missouri. Within an hour, it probably within like 30 minutes, it's going to start affecting that storm by Garfield, and that's going to start hitting the main storms.
Well, I think this stuff in Arkansas still has a chance.
Maybe, but we're going to have to see though, because that guy is coming through. And on the back side of that, we have high LCL, so elevated storms, and we have.
We had damaged wind threat after that hits. Yep.
That's about it. Though. When the cold front comes through, I'd say it's damaging winds. There's really not a whole big tornado potential along the front.
Damaging wind and hail after that front.
It's mainly just supercells inside of the front, or not inside. No, not inside. In front of the front that we have to watch right now. We have 4 viewers right now, so that's very good. Thank you guys. All right, still, St. Louis should probably be in a severe thunderstorm warning soon.
That's very fun.
All right, let's get the Springfield radar. All right, yeah, so.
Frick, I didn't mean to go on to Springfield, but holy cow, this is nuts.
All right, so on Fort Smith, there's a dew point of 64 and temperature of 76 in the surface observations. In St. Louis, a dew point of 50 and a temperature of 59. So definitely not good for tornadic potential or really strong thunderstorms. Just really mainly a damaging wind threat. And then the best environment for tornadoes right now is in this area. And we go to that's where we have pretty much everything lining up. We have the best cape. So we're actually gonna look at this. So we have the best cape in this area, and the cape is going to be in red. All right, and then it actually stays already. Then we're going to look at not Super Zillion Pazzo, it's just violent tornado parameter is the highest right down there. That's not really extremely important though. Bulk shear effective is what I like to look at. And the bulk shear effective, that is the highest in pretty much right along this front, all the way up in this area. And then in green, we're going to have storm relative felicity, surface of 3. And that is the highest kind of on the northern end of this. And so where these all match up is where we have the best tornado threat. And this is not everything we really need to look at for tornado threat, but this will kind of give you an idea. And so right now, the best tornado potential for the actual for decent tornadoes is in this area. St. Louis does not have a. Oh, we have a tornado warning now.
Tornado warning?
Yep, in southern Missouri with that cell, even with the same cell that used to be in the run.
Oh shoot! The new scan just went nuts with it.
Yeah, it's looking. It looks like a little. It is an embedded super. It's an embedded supercell for sure. But yep, it looks good again. Took a while to come back, but it's back.
People in Storm Central are making it fast.
Yeah. This is not a bust yet, in my opinion. We'll have to see though.
I don't think this is a bust after what happened. There were probably a few tornadoes at least.
I gotta get my phone charger.
Okay.
Alright. So we have 5 viewers right now. Thank you guys for that. And yeah, we're gonna get back to the stream in a second. I'm just trying to plug in my phone so we won't lose Andrew. Alright, that is now plugged in. Sorry that took so long. And if you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I have daily weather forecast, and we have live streams whenever there's severe storms.
I think this thing's really rapidly intensifying. The hurricane is.
Yeah, Iota. Yeah, Iota's looking interesting. Thank you for whoever just gave the video or the live stream a thumbs up. We have 6 thumbs up now and 2 thumbs down, or two dislikes, and that was from I know who. There's somebody who got mad.
This could be a strong tornado on the ground, Tyler. Oh.
Yeah, that looks. I'm gonna get reflectivity back up here and actually see what we have going on. Could we have a CC drop? I don't. Okay, the CC drop is. If there is, okay, there's like a CC drop with this cell, but it's completely to the north, so I just think that's inflow. Or not inflow, but something else. Yeah, I think that's right in the inflow notch. Or no, it's kind of. This is a weird storm.
That's inflow wrapping around.
Yeah,
that's nothing tornadic. Not tornadic. This isn't a rural area too, so I don't think this is on the ground. Oh, you can't say it's on the ground. I had a stroke. This is not.
You can't really see. You can tell if a tornado is on the ground by looking at radar, or you can't like 100% sure, but you can get a really good idea if there is one. If you have a TVS signature, which we do have, some strong rotation right here at this tornado warning cell.
TVS is a tornadic debris signature, which we do not have.
Yeah, which we don't have.
But this storm is going sicko mode right now. That is very, very strong.
Why do you talk like this? All right.
There might be another tornado warning being issued again by Hollister. A couple supercells formed, and they're doing things now.
Oh, yeah, down there by Hollister, yeah, I've been kind of watching those. Yeah, those are little baby supercells.
Peak time for tornado threat.
Our first cell by Beaver and Chain O Lakes. It's a cool name. That's about to get killed by the gust front of the cold front, or the line of storms, which is right on the cold front. This line of storms, all this line of storms has really is a damaging wind potential.
Got issued.
What?
New tornado warning just got issued.
1.75 inch hail. This is an HP supercell right here.
Yeah, this is the best supercell setup we've had in a long time.
Yep. This severe weather season has been. April was good.
I mentioned the threat for a strong tornado today, and I think it might be verified.
Areas of New York had a lot more severe thunderstorm, or no, a lot more tornado watches than most of Kansas. Like almost like a lot of areas have more tornado watches, or areas in Kansas and the Central Plains had less tornado watches than average. This year has been terrible in Oklahoma and Kansas. More terrible in Kansas. Oklahoma had one outbreak. I'm pretty sure it was the 22nd. It wasn't really an outbreak. It was a tornado event though in southeastern Oklahoma. We live streamed for it. Andrew remembers it.
Which one?
The one on April 22nd.
Oh, that one. Oh.
That was the only that was really the only event in Oklahoma that was tornadic this year.
I think I know what this tornado warning is. I think the new one.
There's another storm behind this one that kind of looks similar. It actually has maybe a little bit of broad rotation. Nothing seriously bad though with these.
Wow, this is nuts. Holy jars.
Remember when we had like a South Dakota event where we had some north moving supercells and there was a gust front that came through and spun up a real quick tornado? Like you could see the gust front go through and then you could just see like the storm literally spin on radar.
Yeah, just got a new tornado warning. Oh wait, no, that's a continued tornado warning.
We have a gust front right here, as you guys can see on radar. It's just little.
Yeah, that's the gust front. There's the cold front. After that, it's just going to be hail and wind.
Yeah, there's likely literally no tornado threat in this area. And we can. Oh yeah, we look at LCL heights and stuff. LCL heights are 2,500, which means the storms will be very elevated. And yeah, we don't have much instability back there either. We only have instability really along or in front of the cold front.
Or it could be a couple inches. The tornado warning.
Yeah.
Yes, hail is very large.
Yeah, we are getting some big hail. Even though we do not have lapse rates today that are good, we are still getting some large hail.
Check Table Rock, Missouri. There is a cooking cell now.
Well, where? Like, which big city is that by?
That is near Branson.
Oh, down there, right? Oh, yeah, I see that. That one looks good. The bad part is that is pretty close to the gust front, so that's gonna get killed quick.
Oh, the new thing just went off.
Yeah, alright, I'm gonna get chat right here again. That's a big HPC oversell. Not big, that's a definitely HP. We have like I think that some of that CC now is probably hail.
Yeah, probably is. I'm not counting that to CC yet.
No, our rotation's south of it anyway, but this is definitely some stronger rotation. We actually let's get.
Oh no! Check the new scan.
It's got delta velocities of 62 to negative 20. That's the strongest we've had. That's 82 miles per hour delta velocity, which is pretty good. Wait. Gosh. What time is the scan you're looking at, Andrew?
9:28.
I'm looking at 10:26.
The 9:28 scan is ridiculous.
Yeah. Oh. I don't have it yet.
That's probably down on the ground. That's so tight, strong.
Alright, our first cell was getting killed by the cold front. By Emerald Beach and Chano Lakes. That cell could have had potential, but it's gonna get killed.
These stores are doing a little bit more than I was expecting them to.
Why don't I have the 1028 scan out yet? It's kind of annoying. I had the 10:30 p.m. Reflectivity scan. I had the 10:26 velocity scan. You know, this reflectivity scan, the rotation's somewhere in here. But we don't have the new velocity. Oh, yeah, yep, I have 1028. Oh, my gosh. 1028, that is... It's showing 2 rotations now. One to the north and one to the south. I don't think it's actually like that, though. Negative 53 to 44. That's almost 100. Yeah,
that's there's no way it's not round.
That's around, it's 98, yeah. We still don't have a CC drop, but this isn't a rural area, so that could be causing it.
The new scan with the 930 one, it's probably still on the ground, if it is on the ground.
Yeah, the 1030 one looks good.
It looks good.
Yeah, no, it's not as great, but it still looks definitely good. They're not good, but strong. I would be chasing today, but today would be a decent chase day. Some of these this tornado would probably be slightly rain wrapped though, and it would be nighttime, so that would not be good.
Gale warning for Wisconsin.
Gale warning, nice.
Posted.
Alright, we have some storms by Fort Smith in front of the cold front. Let me look at those. See if those are going to do anything. I mean, they don't really stand out.
I think these are going linear, and I do not see them doing as much as I did at first.
Yeah.
Yeah, those look like gusty wind producers.
Yeah.
Maybe one for each tornado out of one. Yeah, the northern cells out of that cluster could do something.
Yeah, if I did live in like Jasper and it was daytime, I would chase those on my bike. For sure.
So with the 930 scan, you have 35 on top of 59, so it's like a 94 delta. That's pretty strong.
Why does this area have so many donut hole supercells? It feels like we actually have live streamed a lot of events in northern Arkansas this year, in southern Missouri, and it's all donut hole supercells. And we have another donut hole supercell. This is a classic donut hole supercell, though, at 1032, an embedded donut hole. This is very interesting. And yeah, so let's look at the outlook for today, because I'm sure you guys want to see that. Let's go to convective outlooks. Let's get to day 1. So yeah, today we have a slight risk of severe weather up through Arkansas into Missouri. And cities in that are St. Louis, Little Rock, Springfield, Missouri, and Fort Smith, Arkansas. And we do have a 5% tornado risk. That's in northwestern Arkansas, central and southern Missouri, and 15% wind threat today. And we do have a 5% hail threat. Hail is not the biggest threat today. All right, let's go back to our tornado warning.
I use AWIPS because it's actually kind of good.
AWIPS radar?
Yeah, I'm using that right now.
AWIPS, we could use that on the stream, but that would take like 45 minutes to actually get... AWIPS for me takes 5 to 10 minutes to actually like start the app.
It takes like 3 or 4 for me.
Like, 3 to 4 or 30 to 40? How did you get AWIPS? Did you just download it and did it just work? Or did you have to like get another file to actually make it work?
Steven taught me how.
No, I figured it out myself. It took me forever to figure out. I wanted it in like March, but I couldn't get it because I didn't know how to, because I'm not that good with that kind of stuff. And then I kind of figured it out. I figured it out in July.
Across Nebraska and Wyoming.
Snow squall warning?
No, high wind.
Oh yeah, well that's obvious. I get a lot of high wind warnings.
This storm is roping out now, so the tornado potential with this is lowering.
It is like it's a donut hole storm. Still, it has an insane looking donut hole. I'm gonna screenshot this. It still looks decent though if it is on the ground now. Yeah, it's going into another county now in southern Missouri. We've been watching this storm for a long time. You can actually play out the radar. Just to take a second. We have 4 viewers right now. We've actually gotten a lot of views of stream, so thank you guys for that. See, this storm is used to be a better supercell when it was in northern Arkansas. It's gotten more linear, and now it's a donut hole storm. And radar scope's gonna crash for me. Yeah, radar scope's gonna die.
Hail with that storm now too.
Yeah, 2-inch hail.
Hail to be 2 inches today.
Yeah, hail. I think hail's done pretty good today. The hail threat's actually been better than expected today.
What?
All right, our storms are now getting ruined by the gust front.
Well, we remember we still have that embedded supercell. That's the only one that's not getting ruined right now.
Yeah.
That's way far out in front. It's fine. The ones in northern Arkansas too popping up could do something.
Maybe. Alright, yeah, but if you guys are new to the channel, I do post daily weather forecast videos, and yeah, we do me and Andrew, or sometimes just me, we live stream severe weather events, which we have not had a lot of severe weather over the past couple months. We did have a few events. We had one on November 10th in Illinois.
I actually got a beautiful shelf cloud that day.
You got a nice shelf cloud.
Actually, and a wall cloud too. Kind of like a shelf cloud with the wall cloud below. It was interesting.
Yeah. Let's see, yeah.
There could be some tornado potential across northern Arkansas with these storms that are getting kind of. This is gonna get very interesting. Northern Arkansas here.
These storms don't look too good. It would be fun to chase on like your bike in the daytime. But well, for me at least, I chase like everything. Like even a single sub-pulse storm in the summer, I chase. I get photos like every day of storms.
So it looks like this donut hole cell is recycling again. Oh no, the donut hole cell is recycling, has a circulation of 83 on top of 13.
That's good. Yeah, oh, whoa. The 1036 skin has a circulation, yeah, 83 on top of 13, okay. Same skin you're looking at.
My IEM bot's going nuts. This storm is going sicko mode.
You know what? I think I'm gonna actually get AWIPS up here. AWIPS. Why can't I spell it? No, I gotta search cave. And so what we're gonna do here is we're going to use AWIPS cave. We're not gonna use array. We're still gonna be using radar scope. We're just gonna use AWIPS for. We're just gonna use it for.
My computer is going nuts now.
Right. The rotation has broadened out, not broadened out, but it has weakened a little bit. It's still tight though, and it still looks very good. No CC on that yet. Alright, so while cave takes 45 minutes to work, just gonna look at these storms. Alright. Yeah, because AWIPS cave, what we can do is we can get the radar pulled up in decent resolution and actually look kind of good. And we can look at everything at once. Cave normally I don't use in live streams, which is what National Weather Services and stuff use AWIPS. But we're going to try and use it a little bit today, because why not? It is free. It's kind of confusing to get, though. Alright, our donut hole cell has lost its donut hole. It still has a little bit of a donut hole, but not as good as it was before. These cells are definitely interesting. Is AWIPS working? Nope.
Yeah, that's lost its donut hole now, but the rotation is still very well there. It's gone a little bit more, per se, outflow dominant.
Yeah. Alright, Cave has decided to not work right.
There we go. Outflow boundary the gust front has overtaken a few storms across the southern Missouri by Branson.
Yeah.
Could be a storm near Harrison starting to develop. I think the main threat's going to be along this QLCS now. No more discrete tornado action unless there's an embedded supercell.
Yeah. Alright, we got Cave here, so we're going to try and get the radar working here. Let's just get this. Alright, I've used this a lot. Yeah, maximize view, there we go.
It's still looking on GR2, people are showing it's still looking very strong, so.
Yeah, what I like about Cave is we can look at temperatures and stuff, which is what I like about it. We can look at a lot of stuff on AWIPS. Yeah, so right now we have temperatures in the course in the 70s in front of us. 60s and 50s back in Oklahoma. 30s in western Kansas. This is a pretty good cold front. We have the warm front, which seems to go into Illinois with temperatures in the mid to low 50s, and in southern Illinois you have temperatures almost 70.
There could be a new circulation developing by Long Run, depicted by radar.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, we've never used AWIPS in a live stream before. We're going to try and use it a little bit, because I do like AWIPS. There's a ton of stuff you can do.
New tornado warning.
Satellite, we can goes for IR. Or not go, yeah, no, goes 16, sorry. I really can't talk.
So today there have been 20 tornado warnings today so far.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is an add-on tornado warning to the storm that is already there.
Oh yeah, we still have this one tornado warning right here. We only got 4 warnings now. We're gonna get AWIPS. We'll get the. Oh wait, infrared. Yeah, here we go. It's trying to get it working. It's pixelated as crap. Alright, very nice. Oh, great. AWIPS is about to kill itself. And I feel like AWIPS is kind of good to use in live streams. It gives us something else to do when there's not a whole lot of fun, exciting weather going on. Alright, yep, AWIPS is dying. And the live stream is frozen. Is it? I don't think so. It looks to be working.
Yeah, so that new tornado warning, I don't like the placement of that. That storm's moving northeast.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna...
Yeah, actually, I see why they issued it. It's for another couplet that kind of broke off of it, but I would issue a bigger tornado warning.
Yeah. Alright, AWIPS died.
Didn't die for me. There's still a circulation by Gentryville. It's not very strong, though.
I made the stupid decision of trying to get
Oh,
Alright, we're gonna fire up Cave again. Hopefully, I'm pretty sure I just broke the stream and now it's gonna get like 4 FPS. Yep. Great. Oh my god, man. Oh wait, no, I think it's getting back to normal.
Their velocity scan and the storm's trying to organize again. Oh, we got a hook now.
Yeah, it's a little bit behind the stream. But it's good. Alright, we're back. It's not.
Oh, we got a hook again, Tyler. This thing's recycling again.
Yeah? Alright, AWIPS tried to kill my computer. I'm not gonna try and load IR on stream again. We're gonna try and load radar next time. That was not a good idea. Alright.
This event was very interesting, a lot more than I expected it to be.
Yeah, slightly. God, why? Alright, my computer is struggling to handle all these things.
But I'm still feeling good out of piece of me. And
For real? Alright, radar. We're gonna get a 0.5 reflectivity up for the Ozark slide. Yeah, this is the Ozark, so we're gonna use that sector. Yeah, hopefully this works. I think it will. Ah, perfect. We actually got it to work. Very, very nice texture here. Yeah, look at that. It is good when you zoom out, but not really when you zoom in. Yeah, let's get rid of this map. Yeah, close this editor. Alright, we're gonna get a file. We're gonna get a new map here. And so we're going to get, not NextRad stations. Yeah, let's go to our NextRad stations. We're gonna load. Pretty sure it's not. Okay. Right. So the stations we want are KSGF is the main one. Let's just try to use Cave a little bit, because why not? Cave is fun. Alright, yeah, radar. What does this do?
so it's 30s on one side of the, it's 20s on one side of the state of Oklahoma with 80s on the other with humidity.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Alright, we need the KS's. We're going to scroll down a lot until we get to the S's. And then there's this bunch of radars.
Severe thunderstorm warning for 1-inch hail and a 60-mile-an-hour wind. Severe thunderstorm warning for Tulsa, 60-mile-an-hour wind. Yeah, that new circulation's kind of choked itself off. It's looking like more of a linear segment, but remember, this can recycle. We've seen this story before.
Are you for real? Oh my god. And now I just froze. Hey, whoops, I know I didn't.
Okay.
Alright, KSRX, KSOX, KSJT, KSGF. This is it. And yep, we need this.
So, persistent lowering earlier today. Probably could have been a funnel cloud.
Yeah. Let's get a bigger view of this. Alright, we're gonna switch this to, we're gonna go, it's not VCP. Yeah, we're gonna actually. AWEPS is decent. You know, yeah, we're just gonna X out of this. I messed this up seriously. Alright. Yep, close the editor. Alright, make a new map. We're gonna be live streaming probably till midnight, Eastern Daylight Time tonight. So we're gonna be up for about another hour. Well, Andrew might go, because he goes to bed at like 11.
I'm going to bed midnight.
Well, 11 your time. It's midnight mine. We don't have to go to bed when that live stream ends. We can.
Or we can just track the rest of the severe thunderstorm weather event.
Well, yeah.
The new severe thunderstorm warning by Tulsa issued. It's a big one.
Yeah, that's on the strong part of the cold front.
There's a new severe thunderstorm warning south of St. Louis. It's in the radar hole that we all hate.
Oh yeah, by Poplar Bluff.
Yeah, just over the Popular Bluff.
We've really got to add a radar on Poplar Bluff. That's the one spot that gets a lot of severe weather in the central and the eastern U.S. that actually needs a radar. Other areas that
thunderstorm wind damage in Douglas County, Missouri. Trees blowing down from the highway.
we don't really need radars in Nevada because they don't get like severe thunderstorms all that often. We do have some in southern Nevada. We'll probably eventually put a radar in this area in Nevada. Well, not we, but National Weather Service yeah. There's really no areas in the east that actually could use a radar. Maybe not really. Oh, I know where. Western Illinois. That area is so annoying. They really need to put a radar up by Quincy, Illinois.
Yeah.
That radar hole's annoying. Maybe another radar. Oh yeah, another radar probably in eastern Mississippi, western Alabama. That area with the so-so tornado hasn't moved east. That was annoying. I remember that. Alright, so let's get we're gonna go to tools, no, surface. No. NCEP, we can get that pulled up. Satellite, tools, options, view. Where was it? Oh yeah, hydro.
Arkansas has storms firing in southern and central Arkansas now.
Yeah. Alright, I'm getting some positive reflectivity pulled up. Oh, this looks cool. Oh yeah, it's not as pixelated as before. Yeah, so St. Louis just got hit by a strong line. Wait, we're gonna get cities pulled up on this map. Yeah, let's go to options. We're going to display options, no. View, no. File. Save image, no. How do I do this? I'm stupid, dude. I really haven't used, to be honest, I really have not used AWEPS all that much. I've only used it to make outlooks. I haven't used the radar or anything like that before. But I think we're going to start using it a little bit more. It's actually pretty good. And I'm surprised AWEPS is free, though. And we're still going to be using radar scope a little bit. Well, actually a lot. Okay, let's go to...
Golf ball sized hail reported in Douglas County, Missouri.
Yeah. That's with that. So yeah, so this is our donut hole cell. I'm gonna... Alright, that is not good. Alright, up there. Oh yeah, we have our tornado warning right there for this cell. This is quite pixelated though, so we're gonna get a new... Alright, I'm gonna get a new map with cities, and we're going to get the...
Updates tornado watch. Cancels a few counties in there.
Alright. Okay. I gotta figure out how to get... Display properties, no.
It's okay,
Oh wait, I can get the. Oh yeah, so we can like get WFO like slash FFC. We can zoom in just in like FFC. We can get cities down here and stuff. That is actually cool. I might do this and like. Alright, yeah, so we're just gonna be playing around with AWebs pretty much for the rest of the stream and looking at stuff, what we have going on. Let's get. Alright, yeah, so we're going to go back to view, for options, display properties. We're going to get go to the S's, and we're going to get Springfield. So Springfield is SGF, yeah. Yeah, Springfield, there we go. And St. Louis is close to that. No, St. Louis really isn't. Actually, we're just going to get Condumus pull back up again. We can get regional. No. I wish it would show cities. That would be really helpful so we have to see which cities are getting hit.
You can show cities. You gotta.
Why?
The buttons on the top right.
I know you can, but I'm stupid.
So you press the maps and then you enable cities.
Oh, okay. Oh. All right, I'm stupid. I'm sorry. How did I never notice that there's a whole bar for... Alright, then retrieving cities map. Alright, and then it's gonna do it for me. Alright, we have not gotten spammed in a few minutes. That's nice. We still have 3 and 4 viewers somehow. So thank you guys for that. Alright, finally we have cities. So we have Fayetteville, Fort Smith, St. Louis up here. Where is it? Yeah, St. Louis. And Springfield's right there. Alright, then we're gonna...
I think our tornado threat's gonna be pretty much over now. I think we had a few tornadoes and it's over.
Yeah.
I think we could see one more tornado and that's it tonight.
Wait, observe max and min temps. That's kind of cool.
So right now the tornado watch is still there for northeastern Oklahoma, southern and central Missouri, and northern Arkansas. On my server, I issued a tornado watch today, our Tyler and I server. I ended up issuing a tornado watch today. I went 40% for tornadoes, 20% for strong tornadoes, 60% damaging wind, 40% significant wind, 40% large hail, and 20% very large hail.
Yeah.
I had a couple tornadoes, with one being strong, conditionally strong. Numerous damaging winds likely with some up to eating off wherever possible, and scattered damaging winds up to 1.5 inches.
Yeah, apparently, I try to get the recorded daily, the recorded minimum and maximum temperature for today, and it gave me it for December 30th, 2019. Don't know why. Trying to figure out how I can get like a smooth, good-looking radar. I might just have to. I know what I'm just gonna have to go to. Next rad stations. We're going to get. Ozarks, Tennessee Valley. Well, this actually look decent, not be so bad as it was before.
60-mile-per-hour wind gust, and
Nope.
with a mesonet in Cherokee County, Oklahoma.
Are you about to get hit by air storms real quick?
Tornado warning has been canceled.
Yep.
I think it's probably time to stop this or do something else. There is some rotation in northwestern Oklahoma, or Arkansas, that's weak.
Mm-hmm.
The storms by Little Rock are just starting to get going, and I think your tornado threat is very much on its way to being over now.
Yeah, I think we could have had a few tornadoes. I don't think this 5% busted. Yeah, I don't think the 5% busted.
I'd say it verified. I don't think it overachieved. I don't think it did anything else. I just think it verified.
Yeah, God, okay. How do I set my home away from OAX, which is Omaha? I want it to be FFC.
I don't know.
What's yours at?
I don't know.
Probably OAX too. It's like in the top left corner when you load Cave. It says like at the not when you load it, but when you have Cave open. It's like Cave.
Oh, that I don't have that enabled.
Oh, I do. I'm trying to figure out how to actually get it switched. It's annoying.
So there could be still some gusty winds and large hail with the storm in central Missouri, but that tornado warning is gone now. There could still be a potential for a wall cloud and some rotation, but tornadic development is looking to be going down.
Yeah. Oh, great.
What?
Nothing. I have something in my... Yep. This happened before. I actually, broke Cave once. Had to re-download it. And this kind of looks like what happened before. I couldn't get the screen to go away.
Oh, it is? I wonder if there's a shelf spot outside. I'm gonna go outside and see what's going on out there.
Alright, bye.
I'm not leaving. I'm gonna get a jacket and go out there.
Okay, I'm gonna X out of this map. Let's go to Cave. Final new map. And we still got this in the way. I think today was a pretty good stream. Thank you guys for watching. We'll probably end at like 11:15 if there's no tornado warnings going on. I'm kind of tired today.
Oh shoot, I got some nice lighting with this. I'm gonna go outside.
Alright.
This is gonna give me some nice lighting.
Mm-hmm. Ow. Alright, I can't believe this stuff is all free, though. Anybody can actually access this. I broke Cave, though, so I have to exit it. Hopefully that screen will be gone. If it's not gone, then I'm gonna have to. Then we're not gonna use Cave. Alright, while it opens, there's not a storm. So right now we have no tornado warnings. Our gust front is killing a lot of stuff now.
Yeah, tornado threat's over. It's just gonna be some damaging gusty winds.
Maybe not over here. We have some interesting storms in northern Arkansas still. One by Jasper looks like it has the best potential, but it has no rotate. Yeah, I think our tornado threat's getting lower. Let's take a look at the SPC Meso Analyst. Let's take a look at, well, do we still have any Cape? We still have 1,500 to work with. So it's not terrible Cape. It's not the best zone. That's gonna likely go down throughout the night. We'll still have 1,000 though in some areas of eastern Arkansas.
I think the threat's gonna be over because it's getting a little bit more capped. Soon.
No, we can look at. Yeah, we can look. I think we can look at CIN on this. Composite.
Oh shoot! part of our siding was knocked over.
Oh. Yeah?
Yes.
Great. I think I forgot how to get...
Oh yeah, our
CIN.
siding got thrown off our roof.
Oh, yeah?
I can report that for some damage.
Is it from the wind?
Yeah,
Oh.
the wind is crazy.
That's pretty good. Actually, in the past 3 hours, we've lost CIN in areas in northern Arkansas. It's gone down around 50 CIN, according to the Meso analyst. So we're gonna have to see though. All right, AWEPS is loaded back up again. It's not there, so we're fine. We're gonna get the.
Is it cold? Yeah.
Yeah, so right now we're going to get the. How do we still have 3 viewers? Thank you guys.
Shit.
Alright.
Shit. I need to join that.
Alright, let's get. Yeah, you see, AWEPS is good, it's just really hard to use. I didn't click the lock. Okay. Alright, Andrew left. I think I know why. It's probably like some meeting for a Discord server. Yeah, so we're just gonna be looking at some stuff. We'll click on AWEPS. It's kind of. I'm trying to get this set up so we can actually use this as a workable app to actually look at radar and stuff on. I'm gonna get a new map. This map we're gonna X out of. Yep. And we're going to get enhanced echo tops. Reflectivity. You can get this for let's see how good quality this is. Nope, it's this pixelated stuff, which I don't want. So we are just all we're gonna be able to do is we're just gonna be able to go to oh gosh, I really gotta get AWEPS working again. Alright, so yeah, we're probably getting ready to end the stream soon. Alright. It. Yeah, we're just gonna look at them. We're gonna look at the storms real quick and see if any of them have potential. Then we're gonna end the stream because I am gonna go to bed. Not go to bed. I'm gonna probably go to bed soon though. So you have some severe storms to the north of Ozark in Arkansas. and switch your radars for them. Those have some slight potential, but we're gonna have to see though. I think this is, well, likely, if it does produce, it's gonna produce a weak brief tornado. Again, I'll wrap up the stream. I will be back with a video tomorrow, and the next stream will happen when we have more severe weather. But yes,